This waterproof mattress protector doesn't just protect your bed, it does so with a touch of innovation. The advanced waterproof technology creates a barrier against spills, stains, and moisture, ensuring that your mattress remains fresh and hygienic. The breathable and noiseless design adds an extra layer of comfort to your sleeping experience, making AquaGuard Sleep Shield the guardian of your tranquil nights. It's not just a protector, it's a symphony of protective serenity. Versatility is AquaGuard Sleep Shield's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to protection, it adapts to your diverse sleep needs. The fitted sheet style ensures a secure fit on mattresses of various sizes, providing a hassle-free solution for your bedding. Whether you're seeking to protect your mattress from spills, accidents, or allergens, AquaGuard Sleep Shield is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the concept of mattress protectors. It's not just a protector, it's an avant-garde solution to your sleep sanctuary. Application is a breeze with AquaGuard Sleep Shield. No need for complicated installations or tedious maintenance. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily slip the protector onto your mattress, and the fitted sheet style keeps it securely in place. The durable construction withstands regular washing, providing you with a long-lasting protective layer for your bed. It's not just a protector, it's an easy upgrade to a world of sleep-enhancing protection. But what about durability? AquaGuard Sleep Shield doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and washing. The waterproof barrier maintains its effectiveness over time, ensuring that your mattress remains shielded night after night. It's not just a protector, it's a durable investment in the longevity of your sleep sanctuary. Now, let's talk about the experience. AquaGuard Sleep Shield isn't just a mattress protector, it's a sensory delight. The breathable fabric, the noiseless design, and the overall enhancement of your sleeping environment, it's a symphony of protective comfort. The experience isn't just about protecting your mattress, it's about turning your bed into a harmonious space of rejuvenation. In the grand narrative of sleep essentials, AquaGuard Sleep Shield isn't just a protector, it's a revolution. It's a hero that doesn't just protect your mattress, it does so with innovative comfort and style.